The 24th China International Vegetable Scientific Fair is underway in Shouguang City, East China's Shandong province. Different varieties of vegetables and new planting technologies are being displayed here, attracting many foreign businessmen to visit. Egyptian businessman Mohammed Rafat is one of them. Living in China for 15 years, Rafat now runs an agricultural technology company. He came to the fair for the first time to seek more cooperation.
I think this is a good opportunity for business and technology exchange, especially for the international participants coming here to know more about the Chinese good technology, the good seeds technology, especially for the new variety. I think in the future we will have a good business cooperation. During this the last 15 years, I already seen a huge improvement of the Chinese agriculture technology, not only for the seeds but also for the whole business and for the whole technology, which encourage our international businessmen to come here and start to make an exchange platform for a good business with the Chinese schools and the companies as well.